which was conducted by CGR and Dharma Seva Charitable Trust. We have observed that children are at their best when they are in nature. We have seen giver in each child, and today we have one of those givers with us, Aarush. Aarush, how old you are?
Ma'am, I am 10 years old.
Aarush, what do you think? Why there is a change, so much drastic change in climate?
Well, the obvious reasons for that are excessive use of fossil fuels, deforestation, and the releasing of greenhouse gases.
Right, Aarush. So, Aarush, what you do to save environment?
Well, amongst my power, I do like very few things actually. Like to go to my friend's house, instead of asking my mom to drop me, I go there myself by cycling. I try to save as much electricity as possible, and then I eat vegetables instead of meat.
Oh, nice. Aarush, how eating vegetables instead of meat will save environment?
Well, eating meat releases a lot more carbon than eating vegetables, and plus 1 kg of vegetables is equal to 5,000 liters of water, while 1 kg of vegetables is equal to 2,000. So I prefer vegetables.
Oh, right. So, consumption of water is less in production of vegetables, right?
Yes.
Aarush, do you feel that growing our own vegetables will save environment?
Yes, it will actually help in many ways because all the carbon and greenhouse gases in that area will get consumed by the plants.
Yes. And any other benefit you see, like buying local vegetables, do you see any benefit?
Yeah, definitely, because homegrown vegetables are way purer than the vegetables bought at market, and it also saves a lot of money and fuel used for the transportation of the market vegetables.
Yes, rightly said. So, Aarush, what advice or what suggestions you would like to give to children of your age?
Apart from what I do, other children of my age can ask their parents to use renewable energy, and then they can save water and then be an aware consumer.
Yeah, that's a very good point, Aarush. And Aarush, why should we act on climate change?
Well, we should definitely act on climate change because it is causing many natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, and droughts. Some people might even call climate change as one of the biggest threats the earth has faced. And if this goes unnoticed by people of the government, well, our future, us the children, are definitely at stake.
Yes, Aarush, very well said. So, thank you, Aarush, for your valuable inputs. I am sure that all our audience and the leaders, they loved to hear the biggest problem with the tiny mouths. I would also like to share my thoughts on how to save our future generation from such a big threat. I feel that we have to educate them almost every day about how much natural resources are used for each product they use and they are going to use, how each product is manufactured. So, we should not allow cheap marketing tactics to use the mind of our children. We have to make sure that we nullify the efforts of marketing, and we make sure that the natural resources are used in a very minimalistic way. So, right way of educating children like Gurukul, and introduction of spirituality at a young age, introduction of natural way of living, and awareness about how many natural resources are used for the products they are going to buy or they are going to use in everyday's life is what is going to make the huge difference. And this will make them eco-friendly humans, and givers. And givers are the most benefited ones. And who doesn't want their children to be the most benefited ones in the world? So let's come together. Let's bring the real change, real impact. Children are loving, caring, and our hope. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you very much. And thank you to Aarush also. So, as a child, as a student, really cycling and going for veggies, really very good things he shared. And this become an example for others also, other children also. Thank you, Ankita, for your remarks, for your sharing.